of the good guys has its advantages.
Ah, advisor to Aladdin, the new Grand Vizier. And when Aladdin becomes Sultan, that will make me the Grand Vizier.
Only I'm not gonna blow it like that idiot Jafar! I'll never have to stand in his shadow again. Jafar!
Buddy?
A funny thing happened. You see, this guy took the lamp. You probably thought it was me, because it sounded a lot like me. But a lot of people sound like me. Anyway, he took the lamp and
Calm yourself, Iago. I haven't come for revenge against you.
So, that's good to hear.
I got it! I could wish for the famed treasure chest of King Malakan!
Oh, I am dreadfully sorry. I thought that was your wish. Are you quite all right?
No, I am not quite...
Wonderful. Good to see all's well. Abismal here is my new friend. And I couldn't help noticing that you've made some new friends, too. Like Aladdin.
Friend? Friend is such a strong word. He's more like an acquaintance.
I'm arranging a little surprise for Aladdin. And your job is to lead him to the party.
You know, I don't think I'm the guy for this job. You know, you should talk to, the monkey. Yeah, the monkey's really got Aladdin's ear.
No, Iago. You